It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Tuesday, the 23rd of August. I'm Michael Groff. After a relatively quiet day across the state yesterday, shower and thunderstorm activity should return this afternoon and especially tomorrow. And we could see some strong storms as well, with some gusty winds, blowing dust, some small hail, and of course, that ever-present risk of heavy rain. And temperatures to remain below average for a while. All right, let's get into it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 99 degrees the afternoon high, 78 the morning low, the normal high 105, the normal low 83. And as we look outside right now here at 12 noon, we've got partly cloudy sky in the valley. We're sitting at 97 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 65, relative humidity 35%. The winds are calm and the barometer is falling. The weather pattern here across the southwest, yes, high pressure is still in control here, beginning to build back in. The moisture should start to return from the east as this ridge heads toward the Four Corners over the next day or two, and at least temporarily we'll see that moisture coming back in for better chances of showers and storms. The watch warning map, we still have flood watches and a few flood advisories over parts of East Texas and Louisiana. Here in Maricopa County, another air quality alert. So asthma, emphysema, the respiratory sufferers, you might want to take it easy out there this afternoon and tonight. And the convective outlook, we've got that marginal risk of severe storms for places like Hartford, Connecticut, as well as over sections of central North Dakota. And here in southern Arizona, that level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. The areas in the darker green. Thunderstorms this afternoon as they roll in could produce those strong, maybe damaging straight-line winds. An isolated microburst, not out of the question. And of course, locally heavy rain and lightning and all of that comes with our typical thunderstorms around here as well. And here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, generally under 1/4 of an inch. But whenever we show you this graphic, of course, I remind you that your amount will vary. All right, let's get into the details of this forecast, and to do that, we'll take a look at the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 12Z run, and this is valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure building toward the Four Corners, the flow aloft turning more out of the east and southeast. So what it means for the rest of the day, down at the surface, partly sunny, warm, humid, scattered afternoon, showers and thunderstorms firing up. And we'll see some breezy conditions picking up here with southwesterly winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Could see gusts over 30 at times. High temperatures in the upper 90s to about 102. Tonight, scattered, mainly evening showers and thunderstorms. Some areas of blowing dust are possible too, and overnight lows in the upper 70s to low 80s. And then tomorrow, a slightly better chance we'll see some showers and storms. They should become more numerous and drifting in here from the higher terrain toward the lower deserts. High temperatures tomorrow, again, upper 90s to about 101. And that chance of rain, we're going to put it up to about 50% by tomorrow night. On Thursday, still at least a slight chance we could see some showers and storms in here in the afternoon. If Wednesday turns out to be rather active, I think Thursday will be less so. Going to Friday and moving forward from there, the weather pattern starts to evolve a bit. We see a trough coming into the Pacific Northwest. For the moment, though, on Friday, still scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. By Saturday, that trough begins to move through the Intermountain West, and that's going to start to turn the flow aloft here more out of the southwest with time. But in the meantime, still at least a chance we could see some showers and storms for Saturday, and high temperatures each day, somewhere again in the upper 90s to about 100. By Sunday, we'll start to dry out. High temperatures right around 100 or warming up maybe a degree or two beyond that. And Monday, mostly clear and relatively dry. There could be an isolated storm over the eastern mountains, but we should dry out fairly substantially here in Phoenix. We're keeping the rain chances out of the forecast entirely, and high temperatures warming back toward around 105 as we see evidence that ridging will be situated to the south of us and gradually building north as we go into next week. Here we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday the 30th, ridging building in, so temperatures are warming up. Now, this ridge is going to quickly build northward, and eventually I do think that the flow aloft will switch back out of the east, but for the moment, Tuesday is probably still going to be dry, and high temperatures warming up a little bit further. We could be around 105 to 108 if this is correct. And the middle part of next week should be the hottest part of our forecast period. But then as we go out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 1st of September. It's the start of meteorological fall. And kind of an interesting setup here. this run of the GFS shows the ridge drifting a little further to the west, but some moisture still over southern Arizona for at least a chance of showers and storms. We might be starting to dry out once more with another trough approaching the Pacific Northwest. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix going out through the 6th of September. This is coming off of the GFS ensemble. The mean is up there around 2/3 of an inch or just below that. And temperatures off the national blend of models, not too bad until you get out there toward next week. And then look at that. There's a 108 on the board. And that is for next Wednesday. So we could be getting rather toasty here just when you thought we were done with the real heat. Remember, folks, it's still August and early September. You know, we can be sizzling this time of year, as you are well aware. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. Ordinarily, I would tell you music fans that you can check out my streaming station. It is still down for maintenance. But myself and the Asian sensation Michelle do program that station, and it will be back, rest assured. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. All of your continued support. We could not do these videos without you. Please be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and have yourselves an amazing Tuesday.